Saudi Cup, and welcome to our fourth and final edition of our mini-series of building a sauna in a shipping container. So, this is the last time I'm going to visit here, and it's all complete now. We've had the big double doors put in the front here, so I'm going to walk you in. Mosquito screens. Kick off my flip-flops, and here's the sauna. So it's a Finnish pine sauna. This came from just outside Bangkok, and they drove up from Bangkok down to Trat, and it left about 6 or 7 in the morning, arrived here about midday, 1 o'clock kind of time, and it was installed within about 2 hours. So it's a dry sauna. So we've got our coals there and Himalayan salt, and we just throw some water on there, get the temperature up, and I've got temperature gauge there, and the old sun timer, and it's big enough for 2 of us, but we can actually probably get 4 people sat in there. But myself and the wife, we like to lie down in there, or half sit up kind of thing. So that's plenty of room for 2, which is perfect for us. We've got this state-of-the-art box here, turn it on, temperature, emergency cutout, which is on the inside as well. Just pop on the inside. So emergency cut off there and knock all the power off if need be. There's one light in the top here, which I'll come back to in a second, and then there's a little slot here to let out the steam if need be, if it gets too hot all of a sudden. I can't see that happening. There is under here for a sauna, all the excess moisture runs out of this pipe, and we've just put a tray there, but we're actually going to drill a hole in the wall here and just take it out, and then I can just feed the plants if it needs to be. Just saves emptying it, one less job to do. So to turn on the sauna, we just simply click that, boom. We've got an external breaker in the back, which I'll show you in a second, and it's just the lights and things like that. So we've been coming in here every night. We've had it now about 4 or 5 days, and I forgot to say this. Got this mood lighting as well. So we've got this light here and this little remote control here, so we can change the mood of the light. So we can have different yellow lights and red lights, purple, blue. So we can set the mood, or we can have it as a disco, I guess. So that's good. So we've got mood lighting and the wet sauna, which we can use oils with as well. So we can get full benefits of that. And to tell you the truth, we've had it about 3-4 days now. We've had saunas every night, and we sleep so well after a sauna. So our sauna routine is basically turn the sauna on for about 15-20 minutes to get it nice and hot. We have 15 minutes, we have a shower, 15 minutes of sauna, another shower, cold showers that is, and then another 15 minutes. That's about our tops at the moment. And then we have another shower, and then that's pretty much game over for us. It's super relaxing, and very beneficial, very healthy benefits. If you want to know the health benefits of dry sauna, I'm sure you can go online and check all that out, but it's very, very good for you and your overall health and long-term well-being, which is fantastic. Our room is worked out perfectly as well, having these mosquito screens either side, so we've got great airflow. Can leave that door open, doesn't get hot in there at all, and then any steam, it doesn't get too steamy outside, but any excess steam can escape there as well. So let's show what we did at the back of here. So we've still got this. So instead of having a big room full of rubbish, we've got a maybe just over a metre wide now, and we just got our rubbish piled in here. Again, I have another clear out. We've got the breaker in there for the sauna, and we've got independent power here from the house, as you can see here. So it's independent to the house, so it's nice and secure. And we just got to have, the only thing we'll have to do here is fit a light on this side, and then an external light on the outside of the sauna, just so we can see where we're going at night. Well, we set a light there before, but it hasn't been put up yet. So we're just waiting for the electrician to come back, and that's that. So I've got my aquaponics, my aquaponics and hydroponics, and my microgreens waiting to grow there. So that's what I'll be doing now. And that little shelf, it's got lighting on it as well. So I start my hydroponics there, and then I've got microgreens in the other one. Well, I will have. Start growing those again. Now it's all kind of finished, and that's just the room, just the window we put in this side. So get a nice view of the gardens from there, and that is about it. So pretty simple job. Just took over a week. It wasn't worked on full time, but on and off it took about a week. And we used the same builder, same window company and the same electrician on this job as we did the farmhouse and some other renovations we just had redone around this house. So very pleased with that, and that's about it for this video. I'll cost wise, if you want to know the cost, the actual sauna unit delivered, I think it was 2,000 baht delivered and installed, and it cost about 42,000 baht to purchase, so 44,000 baht. The builders and materials were about 20,000 baht, I think, off the top of my head. Electricians, labour and parts and things like that were probably 3,000-4,000 baht. So all in all, then obviously building materials, floor tiles, cement, not too bad, not too much. Windows and doors are 20,000 each, so I think it came in just under somewhere between 130,000-150,000 baht, which again I think that's a bargain. I'll let you work that out. It's far too early in the morning for me to get my brain in gear to work out the conversions on that. But about, if we say 130,000 baht, we're looking at these kind of figures really. So yeah, we're really happy with that. And as I say, we're sleeping so well. We just come out of that sauna, we just want to sleep. So relaxing. So the long-term health benefits of that is going to be fantastic. You can't appreciate how much sleep is beneficial to you. So that's good. So it's another beautiful morning here. You see these cacao trees lapping up the sun there, the early morning sun, and these ferns are looking great in the sunlight. So it's another early morning in Thailand. It's a beautiful day, but you don't have to be in Thailand to have a beautiful day. Remember, it's a state of mind. So wherever you are, have a beautiful day too. And if you like this video, if you've seen the other videos, so if you haven't seen the other videos, there's three more in this series. They're only short videos. Check them out and see the process of doing this little project. And if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day, and be safe, be lucky. Sawadee cap. Thank you very much.